I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and gathering ID because the portal verifies identity before granting functions. Once you have your username and a strong password, enable two-factor authentication. This prevents unauthorized changes. Open the Access portal, select Individual Access, and enter credentials exactly as issued, case matters. If you don't have an account yet, choose Register, complete the form, and verify email or phone. Make sure to note any temporary password you receive for the next step. Once signed in, complete step-up verification so the system confirms it's really you. Use an authenticator app or SMS code, or upload a clear photo ID when prompted. After verification, set security questions and review consent prompts to control which data the portal shares with services. Next, access your dashboard and confirm role and permissions because those determine what tools you see. If a request requires approval, submit it with attached documents and track its status under Access Requests. To finish, use the portal's role-specific modules to complete tasks, edit entries, save drafts, then choose Review and Submit to apply changes. This ensures audits capture intent. Once done, check the audit log and active sessions periodically to catch anomalies and revoke any unexpected sessions or API tokens. If you get locked out, immediately use the account recovery flow or contact support. Provide your request ID and verification details so they can restore access quickly. Key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.